Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are well. Today I am coming for a new subject matter, that is the one type of the gaming board. What types of motherboard? You can see that TUF gaming, and excellent idea about it, that what are the characteristics or the features about this, you can find out it, and reality is that you can get it more and more attractive, and you can get the original taste of the PC performance. And if you use this board, you can get it the different taste of the using of the component of this product. Why? Because of some exceptional the features is here. Why we can get it the gaming? If you are the gamer, if you like the gaming, if you perform the better performance from this motherboard or different types of the characteristics, if you want, you can get it from this motherboard. How? Let's start to discuss about these features of this motherboard. Okay, first one, we can see that this is the warranty, that is the 3 years warranty. So normally you can use it 3 years, and if any types of the problem, you can get it the new, because this is the replacement guarantee. And next one is TUF gaming motherboard. Why? The motherboard is using the extraordinary performance. How? Because it has the different types of the characteristics, we can get it, that is the Ryzen, AMD and 5000 series. Although it is used for different types of the purposes, and you can get it, that is the custom DTS. Custom DTS, you know that if you are the gamer, the custom DTS will help you to perform your gaming performance. And next one, it has the sound quality. Yes, its sound quality, its production is so attractive, marvelous, wonderful, and you will get it the original taste of the sound quality. Because if the sound quality is not comfortable, your listening, your noise, or your hearing speech, or hearing component or of your features of your enjoyment will not fulfill up, so you will get it. And the HDMI, that is the port, is really so much interesting. And Windows 11 is here, and you will get it, the Windows 11 is ready for this motherboard, so there is no any types of the problem, so you will get it and very enjoy in this moment. Okay, and Ryzen 5000 desktop ready is here, there is no problem. But problem is that some if you are the 3rd gen, that is Ryzen 3, you will not use this any types of the processor for this motherboard. So if you are the gamer, I know that your processor should be so highly qualified, and 5000 series is acceptable for this motherboard. Okay, because if the 3000, it will not performing very, so it is not accepted for the 3000 or 3020 or 3060 series. And another is that PCI 4.0 is ready. Okay, and next one is TUF gaming others component. So first of all, you have to know that what is the number of this motherboard, that is the B550M. So M series are really so attractive and wonderful. And the Aurora, this is the Aurora, you can get it here, the ASUS Aurora. So its really performance is very highly qualified, and there is the sticker for this reason, it's the product is very real and very much qualified, and there is no doubt that is it is originally and genuine. And you can get it another performance is here. So here you can see that is the TUF gaming. So we can panel, that is back panel and IO port. So you can get it that USB port, there are 2, and the port is 3.2, so there are 2. And next one USB 3.2 Gen 1, this is also 2, and Gen 2 is also 2. And next one USB 2.0, the port is 2, and display is also HDMI and 1 DT supported, and Realtek 1 GB Ethernet port, and audio jack also there are 3. So bias, flashback and button, so you will get it the keyboard and mouse and combo port, so everything's are here. We can see the another part, that is the Ethernet port. When you are user as a broadband user for internet. So you have get the another features for this, that is Realtek 1 GB Ethernet. So it's really very much performing. And TUF LAN guard, that is LAN guard, you know, that is for your extra forces for the internet power, so there is no problem, so it will guard for you and you can get it the proper power for internet, that is your internet data will come properly and perfectly. And next one, you will get the ASUS Turbo LAN. So you know that the power of the turbo is so comfortable for your PC and your user for the gaming. Actually, if you are the gamer, so this is more and very important for your PC. And next one, audio features. Already I have told that if the sound quality is best and you can enjoy the perfect and the performance and the very wonderful and very enjoyable for your audio features. And next one is that is CPU, that is AMD socket for the AMD Ryzen, that is 5000 series. Okay, so if you user for the if you like to use the processor Ryzen 7, that is 5700, so this is very much easy for you to understanding and you can enjoy more and more develop for your performing your gaming, and you can also use the game as a gamer. And next one, 4000G series and 3000G series desktop processor. So refer to the also and you will get it from more information about our website for this one. And cheapest, that is AMD B50, this is the cheapest for this motherboard. And next one, the memory, that is 4 dimension, that is you can use the 4 RAM for this motherboard. And next one, you can use another one is that is DDR4, you have to use this RAM. And next one, you can use the graphics card, display port and HDMI and D slab, and graphics specification way better CPU. And next one, that is this one is the type, and graphics card, if you use the graphics and then you will get the extra power for your gaming performance. And if you are the editor like the video editor or any types if you are the internet user for the freelancer, you can also get the extra benefit from this motherboard. Okay, and next one, storage total supported 2, that is M.2. so there are 2 M.2 slot for the NVMe. So if we can see that NVMe is powerful for your SSD. Okay, it's really more and more fast and it will work very attractively and very fastly, very promptly. And if you are the editor, if you edit the video, there is no problem because your editing rendering time will very save. Okay, and next one is that so you will get more and more enjoyable items, that is PCI Express supported, that is speed varieties for the processor. Okay, and another one is that expansion of the slot, PCI slot, that is 4.0/3.0 and into the 16 slot, that is supports 16 mode. And next one is that PCI second one, that is 3.0 into 1 slot, and PCI Express support speed varies by the processor. Okay, and you can also see the BIOS flashback. So here we can see that is the extra item in this motherboard is included. And we can see another item which is very much helpful for us from the USB 3.2 gen and type C, and this is the most important for us for in this moment most of the person are user like the Mac or and types port is C port is common. So for this reason for your motherboard this port is included. And next one is addressable header Gen 2. Okay, so this header is addressable, so header because of the performing of this motherboard. And the fan expression, that is 2+, you can use, that is for if you your PC is so hot you cannot performing very well. For this reason there are two, that is 2 plus extra fan you can use, no problem. So GPU, that is temperature, you can multiple temperature 4 pin. So for this reason what will happen, the source fan sensor, so here we are using the sensor, so sensor will help to control the temperature. For example, in this room if the temperature is hot, we cannot perfume the properly. For this reason we can use this extra performing part, that is fan express 2 plus. Okay, so ASUS in search of the incredible, so actually this is the really incredible, okay, because this powerful motherboard is helping us to developing your working place and your gaming performance and your editing or as a freelancer. So I hope that you can enjoy this. My dear friends, now we are going to open the box. Okay, so I just use the indicator, just okay. Now I am opening and this is the moment for our wow, nice performing. Wow, the quality of this product is really wow, so excellent. Okay, so we can see this part. Next we will discuss. At first we will see, that is unboxing, which our component is here. Yes, we can find out Sheltech. Okay, the color is really so attractive. Okay, next one, wow, this SATA cable. Okay, and this is multiple, there are 2 parts. Wow, here is also the disc for installation and it will help you. Next one, these are the M.2 okay screw. Next one is, here is that, so single side M.2, this is the sleeper for using. Okay, there is marvelous attractive sticker you can use in your bike as a gamer, or you can use on your PC. Okay, so we can see another item is that this is the specialization update notification for the AMD processor. So automatically you can get the update. This is the one kind of the certificates, and here is also the motherboard technical updates. This is another certificates, and this is the manual. Okay, so when you are using this motherboard, you should know more information from the motherboard, and this is the motherboard layout, you know. And next one is the certification of the reliability. So if you have the strong belief, so you can get more and more information. Okay, so these are the components from the motherboard. Now we close it, and next we can see this part. Wow, so it's really so heavy, and the box is okay. Just we are opening very carefully. Wow, so this is, the color is really so marvelous, and you can see this is the name ASUS TUF Gaming B550M, that is series, and TUF Gaming, this is one is the. So this heatsink, it's not like the simple or as usual. So the this actually quality is completely different, and the chemical or the element which is built for this heatsink is so different. Why? Because the temperature will reduce. If the processor is so hot and other part, that is M.2 slot or other part is so hot, the performing is not working high. For this reason, what will happen? The temperature will reduce your performance. For this reason, if we can see these types of the heatsink, the that is the IC, integrated circuit, it will help to perform more because of that temperature. So for this reason, this heatsink is really so enjoyable and very comfortable for this. And we can see the port. Yes, there are USB port. This is the HDMI port and also display and USB. So 3.2 is here is, so 1 2, that is 3 6, okay, USB ports, and this is Ethernet and sound, and you know, as usual, show all are. And here there is a that is, you can use this port, we can say that the reset of this motherboard, and the performing is here. This is the processor place, and we can use this as usual. Other that is ASUS motherboard is recommending these types of the chamber for the processor. And we can see this is the PCI slot, and under this heatsink we can see very closely there is the slot for the M.2 NVMe, and another one is here, that is the open, okay, for NVMe, and you can use the different size, okay, there is no problem. And this is another one for the heatsink, and this heatsink is also, all heatsink are the same chemical material elements are built for this, and this is the these are the SATA port, we can see that is there are 4 SATA ports. And next one is that this is the sound system, this one is audio system is here, we can find out this part is the audio production, and all the these are the different types of the component is using here, so we can find out. And next one, there are 4 slot for the RAM, so 128 that is the RAM you can fully using. And here if you use the processor, and very closely you can use the fan, so we can CPU fan is here, there is no problem. And also another 1 and 2 extra fan is given the size, and you can use or input the extra fan for controlling the temperature. So finally we got this one, and there are other enjoyable and very convenient part of our this one. This is the C port for this part, and we can use, that is U32, okay. So these are the this is the very helpful for you to using the C port. And the build quality overall so marvelous, we can see, and the quality of this product is really so heavy and so believable. So thank you, okay, if you like and comment and share, okay, thank you.